All that is nothing but weeds. Weeds. No grass. So guess what? We're gonna side this little section, just the back, nothing on the front. So this is what we're gonna do. And that guy right there is gonna be tilling right here with that. It's a big difference, huh? So now we're gonna do the topsoil and spray the topsoil, and the grass is supposed to be coming tomorrow. It's gonna be 7 pallets. So that's where the topsoil is, and it's going right here, right there. So, yep, came in, it was a lot of weeds. We got it tilt, we clean it up. Now we're going to put the topsoil, and tomorrow we'll be doing side. Soil. That's all the trash that came out. Right there. Well, let's get to work, man, and finish this job. There we go. Grass. Now you'll see grass. Remember all this? It was nothing but weeds. Now we have grass. Looking good, man. Looking pretty good. Let's go look up here. Yeah. So much better, huh? Alright. So all we gotta do, now they have grass. We gotta turn the water on. That's it, guys. Punya. Finish the job. 7 pallets, man. 7 pallets. Well, it took me a day and a half. And the first day, as you saw it, we rake, we clean all those weeds, we put the topsoil, and then the next day went back, finished with the side, lay all the side, call a friend to come and help me. She came down and helped us finish early around 12:30, and that was it, man. That was it. So, I like it. I like to do these small jobs, okay? Besides doing yards, besides mowing, besides trimming, I like to do side. And I want to get some bigger jobs. I want to get 10 pallets, maybe more. And, you know, it just, I guess I feel like I'm ready, man. I am ready to get bigger jobs. Ready. Let me tell you one thing. You gotta invest into your, into learning how to do it. And big shout out to Tigran. I've been watching. You guys want to watch him by his programs, and you see what is doing. It was helping me. Okay, so you have to invest into your into you to learn more. So I'm learning as I go. You want to learn how I'm doing it. How can I get this job? You can do it the same way. You can do it the same way. First, you gotta step up. You step up. Don't be scared, man. Don't be scared. Just do it. Alright. And so, any question, like I said, guys, leave me a comment below. Whatever you want to throw here, just do it. Alright. So later, and see you guys soon.